Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can edit pictures in Stock Gallery app on OnePlus 13R. So firstly, go into the photos, which is the default gallery app for this device. Now tap on the picture that you would like to edit and tap on the pencil icon that says edit at the bottom, at the middle of the bottom of our screen. Now you're going to see different sections of editing. And after you've done your editing, all you have to do is just tap on save in the bottom right corner. You can either save it as a copy or replace the original, but I will save it as a copy. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.